Okay, we have a word problem that's talking about a sale price and an original price, like this one. Here's how I'd approach it. It says a pair of sneakers is on sale for $51. This is 75% of the original price. What is the original price? So I'm going to mark up my problem just as I would if it was given without a big word problem. So a pair of sneakers is on sale for $51. This is, what is the sale price? So this is 75% of what? The original price. So my part is the $51 because it's on sale. If it's a sale price, it's always a fraction of the original price. You're not going to pay more for a pair of shoes that's on sale, right? So the sale price is always the part. The original price, which has the of in it, is always the whole because the sale is a percentage of the whole. And then this is the percentage off that is. So now that we have our parts, we can solve for what we're looking for. If we use a proportion, we're going to put the 100 on the bottom. We have percent on the top, is on the numerator over here, and whole on the denominator down here. So my percentage is 75%. I don't need to make any changes. When I do proportion, I can just write 75. My is the sale price. That's always the part. So $51 is the numerator. And my denominator is the of. And the of is the original price. That's what we're trying to solve for. So we don't know what the original price is. That's our variable. And now we can go ahead and cross multiply and use cross products to create an equation. So 75 times x is 75x. And then we have $51 times 100. I'm just going to simplify this. 75x equals 51 times 100 is 5100. Okay, in order to get rid of the 75 that's going to be multiplied by the x, I have to divide by 75. And if I'm going to do it to the left side, I better do it to the right side to keep things balanced so I know that it's equal. 75 divided by 75 is just 1x. And then I need my calculator to do this part. 5100 divided by 75 equals 68. And what does that answer represent? The answer represents what is the original price of the sneakers. So $68 is the original price of the sneakers. Because in word problems, we always have to have the unit and kind of some information with that label. Now, if you wanted to use the equation to solve this, you absolutely can. It's the same information, it's just going to be plugged in a different way. So our part is the sale price always, so it's going to be $51. That equals our percentage times our whole. We don't know what our whole is, but we do know our percentage. But the thing is, this percentage, when we use an equation, we have to write it as a decimal. So we have to move this decimal point that exists right here after the ones place over to the left twice. So that's going to give us 0.75 because we're essentially dividing by 100. And that is times our whole, which we do not know what our whole is. So that's just 0.75x. Same thing as over here. To get rid of the 75 here, I divided by 75. To get rid of the 0.75 here, I divide by 0.75. Don't let that decimal scare you or worry you. You do the same exact thing. Because 0.75 divided by 0.75, boom, that's just 1. So I'm left with 1x equals, and then I come over here and I grab my calculator. 51 divided by 0.75 equals 68. And wouldn't you know it, my answer is the same. $68 is the original price of those sneakers.